n plus 1 times I in exponent n minus 1, it will result in two numerical values, 0 or minus 2. So let's try it. Letter n, so letter n is an element of natural numbers. And let's try when is an even. So first case, even. If n is even, if the exponent is even. So we have this way. I in exponent 2n plus 1 times I in exponent 2n minus 1. If we are multiplying those two binomials, we are going to get in this form I in 2n, so outside is going to be square, I2n times I2n. The middle terms are going to cancel with each other, and 1 is going to be square, but because 1 square is 1. And if I multiply these two, I am adding those, because the base is the same, I'm going to add the exponents, plus 2n minus 1, which is I in exponent 4n minus 1. The exponent is multiple of 4, which means I in exponent 4 or multiple of 4 ends up with 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. But now let's try when n is odd. And in this case, we have I in exponent 2n minus 1 times I in exponent 2n minus, and here is a plus 1 and a minus 1. And when we are multiplying those two, we are going to end up I in exponent 2n minus 1 times I in exponent 2n minus 1, and the plus 1 times minus 1 is a minus 1, but the middle terms are going to cancel, and this going, because these are the same base, so the exponents are different, we are going to add those exponents, minus 1 plus 2n minus 1 minus 1. And if we are simplifying with the like terms, is going to be 4n minus 2. 4n minus 2. But this n here is a minus 1. And this I can write in this form, I in a 4n times I in exponent minus 2 and minus 1, which is going to be I in exponent of 4n, and this I'm going to make a positive exponent, I square is a minus 1. But this I square here, I can multiply top of this fraction and bottom of the fraction by I square, and we get this form. I in a 4n is a time I square over I4 minus 1. And what do we get here? I4 in the n is going to be 1, as I mentioned before, because it's multiple of 4, is 1, time I square is a minus 1, and I in a 4 is 1 and minus 1. And now 1 times minus 1 divided by 1 is a minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. As we see in two cases, when it's even or odd, the expression I in exponent n plus 1 times I in exponent n minus 1, it results in a 0 or minus 2.